Good morning students, myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today in this video of class 6 science, we will talk about activity number 5 first of all. In this you can see that run some distance and feel the movement in the muscles of your legs. That you can see the movement in leg muscles, the muscle that bends knee, muscle that straightens ankle, muscle that bends ankle, muscle that straightens knee. When you run, your legs alternately bend and straighten in the knees and ankles. Your thigh and hamstrings muscles bend and straighten and your knee joint. Your calf and shin muscles bend and straighten your ankle joint. Now we will talk about the next topic that is very important, that is the movement in other animals. Now we have studied about the movement in the humans. Now we will talk about the movement in other animals like cockroach and others. Animals have different type of skeleton, as we all know. The skeleton of some animals do not have bones at all. Therefore, the ways in which they move are also different. So every animal is having a different way of movement. First one is earthworm. Earthworm have liquid skeleton. They have liquid trapped in species inside the body. The muscles squeeze against the liquid. This keeps the body firm. Muscles in a worm's body can be squeezed differently to change the body shape. These changes in the shape help the worm to move along. To move, the earthworm first extends the front part of its body, keeping the rear part fixed to the ground. Next, it fixes the front part and shortens it, thus pulling the rear end forward. It carries out such expansion and contraction of muscles repeatedly to move forward. Now we will talk about the movement in snail cockroach. Have you seen the cell of a snail? It is like a house, it carries along with it. Okay, it is a skeleton which is outside the body but is not made up of bones. Such a skeleton is known as exoskeleton. So students, the skeleton which is found outside the body is known as exoskeleton. The crabs and insects such as cockroach also have exoskeleton. Exoskeletons give support and protection and also allow movement at the joints. The snail has a thick structure called a foot. It is made up of strong muscles. It produces a series of wave-like movements that push the snail's body forward. Cockroaches can walk, climb, and fly. They have 3 pairs of legs. The leg muscles move the legs for walking and climbing. Two pair. There are 2 pairs of wings attached to the breast. The breast muscles move the wings for flying. As you can see, the diagram of snail and cockroach. So that's it in this video.